How to restore your locked Facebook marketplace. So all you have to do is just go to your Facebook. Now once you are in here, just click in settings and just scroll down, and as you can see there is help and support. I highlighted it. Click that. Once you are in here, click report a problem. Continue to report a problem and creating a report and wait for that. Now once you are in here, you should go click include. Now you should select the product. Now go select marketplace. Now once you're in here, just say to FB marketplace that you have been blocked and you wanted to fix the issue because you have more important objects in marketplace, and upload from phone screenshots about the way you have been blocked in Facebook. And once it's done, just click this icon, the one that I've highlighted. And once it's done, it is 24 hours to be reflected in FB, and that's it.